Wait till Mom comes down. Let me just look at the tree. I want to film this.
Oh, this is the sky thing. We gotta tell everybody.
Oh my God.
Everybody. This is so exciting. Thank you, Santa Claus.
Thank
I
you,
love you,
Santa.
Santa Claus. Yay.
Say Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, Santa Claus and Daddy and Mommy and everyone. What the? He didn't read my letter?
Maybe he did. Maybe he did read it.
Maybe he did. Daddy, you'll open it?
Not now. I want to wait for Mom. Open it.
Hey, you keep your things over there. What? Here. This is so cool. This is an imagination, but it's not. Hannah, you know what was the problem? What? You didn't turn it. Let's leave it closed. Okay. Ouch. Hi, I'm Peter. I'm Peter. Look at the presents. It's so good. Oh.
Let me look at it, baby.
To Cassie, Hannah, Gracie from Santa. So we better open this one. Daddy!
Yeah.
This is for all of us. This is for two Cassie, Hannah, and Gracie. So we better open this
Wait
one.
till Mom comes
I
down.
want to open it. Daddy, I want to open it. I want to open it. No, I already opened it. This is my present. No,
Wait,
see,
time out.
it's
Don't open it yet.
two Cassie, Hannah,
Let me read it.
two Cassie, Hannah, and Gracie from Santa. And I want to open it, Daddy. I want to see it in there. Cassie, I know there's junk in there. Don't touch me. Whoa, Daddy, this is a cool game. Daddy, look.
Did he come? Oh my goodness, he did come. Go open it.
Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Mommy, look, the present.
He came.
Hannah, not yet. Oh.
Not yet. Wow, he came.
Merry Christmas.
Cassie from Santa. Hannah, you ruined it. Girls, let me read it. Let me read it. Whoa. What I open it.
1 minute, Hannah.
Hannah, don't open it.
Merry Christmas.
Hannah.
Let me see.
Hannah, look. Hannah.
Wait, stop it.
Hannah.
No, wait, don't be so greedy. Let me see what it says.
Wait, nothing. Let me see what it says.
Let me see what it says. It says,
To Cassie from Santa.
that's Cassie.
Hannah, and this says this says, wait, what's this says, Hannah, this says to Gracie and Hannah from
Wait,
Santa.
let me read this. This says,
Here's Hannah and Grace.
to Hannah and Grace.
Hannah, no,
This is
wait.
for Hannah and Grace.
Hannah, that's heavy, that's heavy. Let's open this one first. I want to open this. Hannah, wait, this is from Santa. This is from Santa.
Let me read that. What does that say?
To
Hannah, wait. Hannah, wait, sweetie.
Wait, give her one.
Whoa, this is, aw.
Oh, that's really nice.
Aw, look at Mrs. Santa
Well,
gave
she
me.
knew you. She must have known you needed an outfit.
Thanks, Mrs. Santa.
And a pair of jeans.
Mama, look.
Oh, isn't that nice? Just what you asked for, a long sleeve shirt.
And look. Oh, I love this. I'm going to put it up
Gracie,
here.
here's some underwear for you. And Hannah, here's some underwear.
Are these my jeans?
Yeah. Hey, Hannah, don't open those jeans yet.
Very nice.
This is what we have at school.
Wow.
Okay, find one for them.
Okay.
Okay, don't open
You
it. There, that one's for all of you guys.
Look, this Hannah let me open it.
No, let them all. Let them
Hey.
pass.
You can open it.
Cassie.
I want to open it.
Cassie, yes. Come here.
This is you.
Then let them open it.
Look at that, Grace.
Hannah, give Gracie
Girl,
some
this is
underwear.
for all of us.
Then let them help.
Hannah, let me read that. Let me read that. Whoa. Hannah, let me read
Go
that.
slowly.
Okay. To Hannah Gracie from Santa Claus.
Wait.
What is that? Look at what you're opening.
Hannah, wait. Let me see what this is. To Cassie from Santa. Hannah, this is for me.
Hey, Cass, you didn't even open the other one.
Whoa. Hannah, let me
Yes.
read this.
Cassie,
Cassie,
pull it.
Come here. Slow down.
Okay.
You're not even looking at what you're opening.
Hannah, this is for... Hannah, don't open that yet. Let me put that in.
Cassie, please, slow down.
Hannah, this is to me from to Cassie.
Oh, wait, Cassie.
Santa. Hannah, I think... Let me see.
Cassie, lower your voice.
Hannah,
You're
let
getting
me...
ahead of
Cassandra, come over here.
Cassie,
Oh.
a charade game for you guys.
Wow.
Hannah,
That's your pile, huh?
let me see this. Hannah, let me see those.
Look, come here, girls, all of you, come here.
I think this is all the rest.
Look away,
Wait, Hannah, let me see. Hannah, no, this is for
Hey,
me.
stop. Cassandra,
Hannah,
this is not how you do Christmas.
Hannah.
Stop it now. Come here.
Ow. Here, Hannah.
Don't pull the presents away. Come over here. Cass, I want to talk to you.
Hannah, I'm
I'm going to give you a timeout if you don't listen.